red key versus the black key. Owning a Hellcat Challenger, why would you ever use the black key? Well, we're gonna use the black key today. Of course, the red key is all 717 horsepower. The black key, it's the valet key, 500 horsepower, which is still a lot of horsepower, but let's see how big of a difference the red key makes versus the black key in the Hellcat. We're gonna be starting out with the black key, of course, and to measure our time and distance, we're gonna be using a draggy device. So this should tell us everything we need to know. Let's see how quick this thing actually is. So with the black key, we got a 9.2 second eighth mile. That's still pretty quick. The car is in, it's 500 horsepower, so that's still very quick, but obviously there's a bit of a power loss with it being 5 versus 717. So let's get rid of the black key and let's unlock all 717 horsepower with the red key and compare the eighth mile time with the red key versus the black key.
3, 2, 1, go.
So we started with the black key, 500 horsepower from the Hellcat Challenger, and in an eighth mile, we were able to get it to 9.2 seconds, versus with the red key, I was able to get it to an 8.7 second eighth mile. It's a little bit faster, obviously 200 horsepower more. That's gonna be a bit of a difference, and I'm sure if we were on a prep surface, we'd be able to get that number even lower. However, this car comes with both keys and you can win it. So if you wanna win this Hellcat Challenger Jailbreak, all you gotta do is tap the link below in the description, head over to freedomstreetgarage.com. We could be calling you. We've given away Hellcats before and we want you to take this one. So get entered to win now.